say. Marinuk? Saying your name wrong. I'm really sorry.
It's Marinuk.
Marinuk?
Patrick Marinuk.
Oh, Patrick.
Patrick, yes.
Patrick, how are you doing today?
Very good. How are you?
I'm amazing. How can I help you out today?
Oh, your information has been the best. Absolutely best. I've been looking at wholesaling the past probably year and a half, and there's so many gurus out there. There's so much information out there. It's just, which way do you go? And in the past 2 months, I've been watching your videos and join your Facebook group. I secured 2 deals. Like, get real. Seriously. The hotel deal, it's a divorce. It was a divorce. They actually found me. They said, hey, how much can we get for the house? I told them, and they accepted the contract, and I flipped it in less than 24 hours. Had it under contract with the end buyer. So, and it's actually in a bid. It's in a bid war. It's sold for $174.5. So, I can't complain. I'm making almost $40,000 on that deal.
What market?
I am in northeastern Pennsylvania.
Wow. Round of applause, man. That's awesome, man. Oh my gosh. That makes my day, man. That's awesome. Thank you. Congrats, man. Thank you for the support.
Oh, thank you.
So do you have any questions or I really appreciate the kind words, but is there anything else I can help you with?
I think the biggest, I'm having a lot of trouble trying to locate probate lists, and I've called them certificates. I've gone down to the courthouses, explained to them what I was doing. I even had one of my assistants try to call and say, pull the student card like you had recommended. And they are not friendly at all with trying to pull probates.
Yeah,
I know, although PropStream is pretty decent, not going to lie. I do have PropStream and the automated lists. I just got to upbeat my marketing a little more. But if there's any more tips or tricks that you have for that kind of stuff, like is there a different name? Is there something else I should be doing? But the folks up here are not very receptive to probates.
Patrick, that's the best news I've heard all day for you. You know that's great, right?
Yes.
No one else is going to get that list. So huge advantage for you. So once you crack the code, I've told you, I had a county like near me that I was only 2 people pulling the probates. It was that hard to get, but once you get it, it's, oh my gosh, it's money. So what exactly happened? Just tell me honestly, when you walked in and asked for the probates, what did the magistrate or whoever there say?
She was actually, what are you referring to was the first question I got was, what are you referring to? I said, listen, my original business is a general contracting services, and I am basically, we are start to finish. I've dealt a lot with folks who were trying to buy and sell homes. I deal a lot with real estate investors before I became an investor myself. So my goal was twofold: wholesaling and to provide a service to those folks who, if I'm not going to invest myself, I can at least say, hey, do you want to sell this house in probate, make a little bit more money if I could have that information? And yeah, they were pretty much like,
did you say that to them?
I had explained to them. I said, listen,
you said that to them?
I did. I was point blank honest with them. I was like, listen, this is what I'm going to do. Oh, there's somebody else that's a little more cojones than I do. There's a story behind that one if you want to hear that one, but that's somebody else did something more worse than I could ever do. Somebody actually targeted the funeral home, Zach.
Oh yeah, that happens all the time. I'm not that rough, but that's a little much. But yeah, I just honestly, Patrick, that's not the way to do it. You cannot pull the card with them. Remember, with most people, business bad, mean. I hate the man. You know, if the clerk of the court has any inkling you're going to make money off of it, that they're just going to refuse it. It's not that it's your right to actually have this information, which it is. You can go scream you can scream all day. I can scream all day that, the government has no right for an eviction moratorium. I can just go on Capitol Hill and scream about it. And it's not going to stop anything. Like, they're government employees are going to do what they want. It's not going to call it corrupt, but you will get the information for how they're feeling that day. So my best advice for you is you do not go in that route. You go on, this is the route I've always said. I've never said that. But hey, my name is Zach. I'm a private citizen. I would like the information on the probates. Can you please provide it to me? I'm a tax-paying citizen. I need it for my own private research. Who are you? I'm Zach. I'm a private citizen and I need it for my own private research.
Okay.
That you repeat that. Because if you say you're going to make money or do a survey there, I don't like corporations. I don't like companies. That's the big man. I hate them. Trying to make a quick buck. It's a private, they're going to treat you different. And honestly, just people sometimes don't like companies. That's why they work for the government too. So that's what the way I would do. The student card works good, but the private citizen thing, if you're older, if you're not in school, that's probably the one to do. But that's probably what I would do next time. If you have anyone young, maybe in college, have them put on their like college shirt. So if they go to like Lehigh University, put like a Lehigh University shirt on. So it's like, hey, I'm doing that. Or like their high school, like let's say Mountain View softball team, put that little shirt on. Another tip I give to you, like they're a student, like, hey, they're in high school. It would just throw their guard off. I would do that. But you, Patrick, you can't do it anymore. You're going to get, they know who you are.
I have other people that can do it for me.
Have someone there. Another tip I can give to you, I'm just going to be blunt for you. I'm just trying to help you. If you have a woman there, it does a lot better. I found like Rick, he had this one county where this lady, she was just nasty to him. And she just brought my mom, his wife there. And we've had other guys go through it, never brought her in. Just, I don't know, somehow, because she was a woman, they questioned her less. And I don't know why, but the clerk of the court lady was really nice to her and didn't think anything else and just gave her a list. Could work. I don't know. I don't know. But that's another suggestion. There's just so many ways to do it. But yeah, okay. You got to go in the private citizen route. And it's going to be a tough one to do, but you'll break through.
Okay. Awesome.
Oh, yeah. I appreciate it, man. Congrats. But is there any other things I can help you with wholesaling real estate?
No, that's pretty much it. I mean, everything's, like I said, the content's amazing. It makes it much easier. So if I can do it, anybody can. Let's just put it that way.
Oh, yeah. Love it, man. So get those probates and get it going. I believe in you, man.
All right. Thank you.
Appreciate it. 2 deals, guys. Come on. 2 deals. Let's go. Woo! That makes me, that pumps me up, guys. Like knowing my content and doing videos like this is actually helping people out. I know it helps people out, but just to hear someone tell me that, hey, your stuff for free helped me get 2 deals, $40,000. It's amazing. Like, guys, you don't have to be paying these gurus. I'm telling you, I'm trying to put these gurus out of business. I get in trouble every time I say it from some people, but gurus always text me, stop saying that, but I ain't going to stop saying that. I'm putting them all out of business on purpose. Thank you so much for watching this video today. Consider liking this video. It helps the YouTube algorithm so my videos can get shown to more people so I can help my mission on this channel to help you make over $100,000 in real estate wholesaling absolutely for free. If you're getting any value out of this whole channel or from the clip today, please consider subscribing to the channel. It means so much to me. Have a blessed day.